Good morning, neighbors. Hope you're well on this Friday morning. I'm at a home here in the Mainlands, and it's such a nice property that I wanted to share this with you. You can tell your family and friends who may be looking to move here. So let me turn the camera around and I'll give you a quick tour of this beautiful property. So here we go. 3555, and we are on 93rd Avenue North. Let's get inside. Move-in ready, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's nothing to do in this home unless you wanted to. Nothing that has to be done. Very well maintained, split plan. One of the bedrooms and bathrooms on the left side. The other, primary, is through that hallway. I'll show you that last. So here to the left is the bedroom toward the front, light and bright as it faces south. Same flooring throughout, which is really nice. So unusual, right, when you see 3 or 4 different types of flooring. This front bathroom has a tub. The bathroom in the primary has a walk-in shower. Luxury vinyl planking throughout. Hurricane windows and slider throughout the entire home. And I know usually I save the best for last, but since you're going to see it in the video here, there's the view off the back, overlooking the lake and then the golf course. How nice is that? To the left, you've got a very large kitchen, white cabinets, white appliances. I believe this is a Korean countertop. It's a medium blue color. It doesn't have a microwave, which is not a big deal. It can always be, they make some new microwaves right there that can replace that hood that's very, it's not high from top to bottom. So you have the clearance you need from the stove. Little area over in this spot here if you wanted to put a dinette table. And then obviously here's this back great room, which is enormous. This home is over 1,700 square feet, and you get to watch the birds try to catch a fish. How nice is that? Cool. This view would not get old at all, ever. So let's go back through the kitchen and over to the primary. Now, as you heard me in my previous videos, the Mainlands is a great value. This home is on the market for $380, and I will tell you that if you were looking for a single family home for $380 in Pinellas County, you would not find one as nice as this, period. So to the right is the door to the garage, 2-car garage, inside washer and dryer. And here's the primary bedroom. Beautiful. Walk-in closet. Large. Be a small bedroom. And here's the bathroom off of the primary. 2 vanities and a walk-in shower. Lots of closet space. So nice to have an inside laundry room, isn't it? Nothing to do but call me to see it. Have your friends call or text anytime. I'm always available. And again, one more time, let's look at this view. So there you go. I'm John Rurkowski. I help families transition, whether it be in the Mainlands or anywhere in the Tampa Bay area. And I'd love to help you and your friends. So until we chat, take care of yourself and each other, and be well. Peace.